I'm not sure. I think we think this rain is good. It's a lot of it, though.
Yeah, you know, it's enough possibly to end the drought here in southeast Texas. There's still about a 12-inch deficit, but tonight we've received almost a month's worth of rainfall. In fact, over a month's worth of rainfall, Sherman, across some parts of Harris County in the last 6 hours. That's amazing. Take a look at the conditions we're forecasting for your weekend. It does look like it's going to start off very soggy right through Saturday morning. Those showers are going to settle in right through towards Galveston Island. The heaviest rain will fall tonight. Then we're going to see lesser amounts through the overnight hours and through tomorrow morning. In fact, by Sunday, the full impact of this very slow-moving cold front that's causing all this rain will be felt. We're going to see less humidity and slightly cooler temperatures, kind of a refreshing change from all the balmy weather and very rainy weather we're seeing out there tonight. As we said, Brays Bayou, Buffalo Bayou, those watersheds out to the west, even Mayde Creek near Attucks, those areas are seeing some low-lying flooding. We're seeing 5 inches of rain in that area alone. So 3 to 5 inches. On top of that, another 1 to 2 inches expected tonight. So all total, we could see half of our rainfall deficit for the year cut right there if we get about 5 to 6 inches in those parts of Harris County. You can see all the lightning strikes here on our radar. Let's zoom in and take a look at these areas, specifically the downtown area. Right now, some very heavy thunderstorms. You can see they're lining up from north to south along I-45 right now, from Humble back over towards the big airport, near the downtown area, towards Bel Air, back over towards the areas of Fort Bend County, just east of Sugar Land and First Colony. So if you live in those areas, be ready for some substantial rainfall. Already we've seen almost 4.5 inches at Hunters Creek, the Buffalo Bayou area there, through Richmond, almost 5 inches there. Take a look at Liberty, 5 1/3 inches. Most of that happened from this afternoon, late this afternoon, towards about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. Another inch in Montgomery, almost 2 inches in League City, and lighter amounts the further south you go, all the way towards Galveston. Inside the Beltway, as much as 2.5 inches at Oak Forest, almost 2 inches in Melrose Place, and you can see Pasadena, Melrose Park that is, in Pasadena, almost 1.5 inches. Webster, almost 1 inch has fallen there. So the Texas drought relief is in full swing across the state of Texas. Nice to see that change. What's happened is we've seen tropical moisture from Manuel converge with a frontal boundary, a very slow-moving frontal boundary. Those two parameters came together almost in a perfect situation tonight to produce all this rainfall. Our future track shows that line of showers associated with that front pushing down towards Galveston and the Bay areas through early tomorrow morning. Most of those showers will play out till 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we'll see all of that move out late tomorrow evening into the weekend with cooler, less humid conditions. So again, tonight, temperatures in the 70s across the area. We'll feel the impact of that front really in another 12 to 24 hours. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s, very balmy. Temperatures will probably not cool off significantly until this front sails all the way through into the western Gulf by Saturday evening. So there's the full effect of that front. On Sunday, you'll see that less humid weather come in. Temperatures in the upper 60s on Monday morning, and you can see much nicer weather. But again, we're going to keep an eye on Brays Bayou, Buffalo Bayou, Mayde Creek, and White Oak for the rest of the evening. Those areas right now have seen substantial rain, almost half a foot of rain, 5 to 6 inches just through midnight tonight. And we're going to be watching those bayous very carefully just in case they go out of their banks.
Yeah, exactly.
Through
All
tonight.
right, thanks,
Okay.
Laurie.